E05 indicates a brake fault. If the brakes are engaged when the bike is turned on, the E05 error code will appear and the taillight and brake light will illuminate. Next, check the hydraulic brakes. If the hydraulic brake system uses a magnetic sensor, follow these steps to adjust it. The principle involves adjusting the distance between the adjustment screw and the magnet to achieve the cutoff function. Therefore, if this distance is too close or too far, it may trigger a fault alert. After the E05 fault is triggered, you can first disconnect the brake's waterproof connector to determine which end is causing the fault. Trace the cable from the end of the brake lever to locate the connector. Disconnect them one by one and check the brake lights. If the brake lights remain on, it indicates that the fault is not caused by that section. Move to the connector for the brake sensor on the other side and continue disconnecting. After disconnecting it, check the taillights again. If the taillights have turned off, this indicates that the cause of the fault is on this side. Try reconnecting the sensor connector. If the taillights turn on again, you can confirm that this side is the source of the fault. Once the fault location has been confirmed, you can adjust the screw at that position. Use a tool to move the sensor screw outward slightly to increase the gap. Please note, when making this adjustment, you need to turn the wrench clockwise and downward. Now that the adjustment is complete, you can see that the fault code has cleared. At this point, the taillights are also off. At this point, the taillight is also off. Since the brakes are now very responsive, we can continue to fine-tune the adjustment. Keep twisting down. Now we can restart the e-bike to check if the fault code is still present. If the error code has disappeared, it means the distance between the screw and the magnet is appropriate. If the code is still present, you'll need to adjust the distance again. Check if the brake light is still illuminating abnormally, and try squeezing the brake lever to see if it works normally. If everything is normal, the issue has been resolved.